What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm feeling much better now. I'm feeling much better now. Would you like to order now? Would you like to order now? You've got a great personality. You've got a great personality. It's the best. It's the best. You are so smart. You are so smart. Are you free on Monday? Are you free on Monday? It's time to go. It's time to go. We live in Paris. We live in Paris. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. My joint is paining. My joint is paining. Don't give me that. Don't give me that. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting. How was your day? How was your day? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I don't understand your words. I don't understand your words. He is very eloquent. He is very eloquent. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. What terrible weather. What terrible weather. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. I can't express how sorry I am. I can't express how sorry I am. It's Monday today. It's Monday today. May I come over next Sunday? May I come over next Sunday? How have you been? How have you been? He never gives me anything. He never gives me anything. What does he like? What does he like? You must study hard. You must study hard. I have no choice. I have no choice. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry to interrupt you. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. I will buy this thing too. I will buy this thing too. Believe it or not. Believe it or not. Forget it. Forget it. What did your brother say? What did your brother say? The answer is 3. The answer is 3. He is waiting for me. He is waiting for me. Just wonderful. Just wonderful. How about having dinner with me? How about having dinner with me? I like you very much. I like you very much. Don't forget to call me. Don't forget to call me. Tell me. Tell me. He speaks Italian as well as English. He speaks Italian as well as English. I would like a cup of tea, please. I would like a cup of tea, please. I won't mention it again. I won't mention it again. Give me 10 more minutes, please. Give me 10 more minutes, please. How many nights will they be staying? How many nights will they be staying? The house looks like $1,000,000. The house looks like $1,000,000. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. What's going on? What's going on? His headache has gone. His headache has gone. We are all for it. We are all for it. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. I can't follow you. I can't follow you. I'm busy just now. I'm busy just now. I will accompany you to the station. I will accompany you to the station. That's enough. That's enough. I'm sorry to be late again. I'm sorry to be late again. I think so. I think so. He is in a bad mood. He is in a bad mood. He always talks big about his job. He always talks big about his job. You did fairly well. You did fairly well. He feels blue today. He feels blue today. They are really busy. They are really busy. Did it right. Did it right. Do you live alone? Do you live alone? He is on his way. He is on his way. It's really disappointing. It's really disappointing. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. He is running a fever. He is running a fever. Let me see. Let me see. How is the weather? How is the weather?